This is a confidential message from the Philippine Department of Foreign Affairs regarding the Philippine brain flu. We are continuing in our efforts to contain the virus, however we are struggling. As of today, August 22nd, 3 months and 4 days after initial case, 42.217% of our population has contracted the virus. It is our best recommendation that all countries with significant Filipino populations to immediately begin to implement the highest and most emergent health protocols possible. This virus cannot be allowed to spread commonly amongst people of any nation. Per the orders of the President, messages will be conveyed to every foreign delegation to the Philippines every 12 hours Philippine Standard Time to announce changes and updates regarding this international emergency.
They have a good one, Joseph Bolivis. Vandy won 2 games last year, and Bolivis won both of those.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the Hawaii State Department of Health and the Hawaii Emergency Management Agency. As of August 27, 2022, 13 cases of the Philippine brain flu, officially called BVP-22, have been recorded in Maui County and the city and county of Honolulu. Due to the emerging situation, all non-public institutions and non-essential activities, services, and establishments are officially ordered to cease operations. If you are experiencing symptoms of BVP-22 such as coughing, intense sweating, severe headaches, and fits of rage, or were exposed to anyone who has recently traveled to the Philippines, Thailand, Saudi Arabia, and Indonesia, immediately quarantine yourself from anyone in your surroundings. A member of our response team will contact and assist you. Please do not call 911. 911 should be kept open for other life-threatening situations and emergencies. At this time, please collect 14 days of food, water, medication, and essential supplies to last 2 weeks. If you require emergency shelter, please visit hawaii.gov or by calling 808-786-SAFE for the city and county of Honolulu and 808-266-SAFE on the neighbor islands. Stay tuned to local news, broadcast, and radio stations for the most up-to-date information. This is KITV4 serving the downtown Honolulu area and East Honolulu. If you do not live in this area, tune to a station closer to you for the most relevant information.